Cheeky? Yes. Naughty? Sometimes. But he's always having fun. He's Titch, Wednesdays, 25 to 4 on CITV.
Must be snowing where Titch lives, because on Wednesday he's going to be making a snowman.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Doesn't it? Are you going to tell us how to make this, by the way?
Yes, I am, and if you want the recipe, all you got to do is write to CITV, PO Box 4000, Birmingham B1, 2JL.
I've got to say, it does look very nice, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? Do you want a bit?
I will take a bit.
Okay,
Thank you,
and
Danielle.
I'll have a bit as well.
Oh, no, we'll eat this while we're watching Caribou Kitchen.
Claudia is a caribou, and Claudia is really rather clever too. Every animal you'd ever like to meet knows that there is only one good place to eat. And they trot and they trip and they slither and they slip into Claudia's Caribou Kitchen. And they fly and they flop and they hurry and they hop into Claudia's Caribou Kitchen. And they bounce and they bump and they jostle and they jump and they strut and they stride and they gallop and they glide and they roll and they rock and they flutter and they flop into Claudia's Caribou Kitchen.
It's another busy lunchtime at the Caribou Kitchen. And Cyril is washing up.
Oh, great sound!
Cyril likes washing up, but he also likes making a noise. Abe is trying to count his ants. 21, 22, 23... Cyril!
What?
I can't hear myself count.
What?
It's too loud.
Oh, I can't hear you, Abe.
Please stop.
No, I was only playing.
I think you should finish the washing up before you start playing music, Cyril. Oh, now I've forgotten what number I was up to. Why are you always so silly?
I'm not always silly, Abe.
Yes, you are. Remember that time you were copying everyone?
Oh, here's your new steps, Abe. Here's your new steps, Abe.
So you're copying everyone now, are you, Cyril?
So you're copying everyone now, are you, Cyril?
Squirrels are silly.
Squirrels are silly.
I'm glad I'm an anteater.
I'm glad I'm an anteater.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, oh, horrible. Ants taste terrible, Abe. I need a glass of water. You're right, Abe. I was a bit silly that time, but that was only one time.
Oh, I can think of lots of other times.
Glasses! Look at my glasses! If you're sleepy, Abe, there's a bed in the garden. A flower bed. Get it? No. But I was only making jokes, Abe.
It would have been better if they could have been funny jokes, Cyril. Cyril!
I've done all the washing up.
Well, if you want to make a noise, you should go in the garden.
OK.
But not with my saucepans.
Don't worry, Abe. If they get dirty, I can always wash them up again. Oh!
There are a lot of different sounds in the garden. There are bees buzzing, leaves rustling, water dripping, and Cyril banging.
What was that? Oh, it sounded like somebody banging on saucepans. I know. Hello, Cyril. What are you doing?
I'm playing music.
Oh, can we play too?
making music. Oh, Claudia, why is Cyril so silly?
He's not only silly, Abe. He can be helpful as well.
He wasn't very helpful that time you sent him to get oranges from Hector's shop.
Oh, why did the squirrel hurry back? Because Claudia needed the oranges quickly. Oh, phew, I'm tired. Oh, I need a rest. And some breakfast as well.
Cyril ate every orange, and there weren't any left to make orange juice.
I know, Abe, but I remember Cyril doing kind things as well, like that time he helped Taffy.
Ow! Ow! Oh, ow, it's not fair!
Taffy?
What?
What's the matter?
My paw hurts.
How did you hurt it?
I pushed Penelope.
Oh, that was a bit daft. She's a porcupine.
I know. Ow! It hurts.
Let's take a look at it. Oh dear, I think you have a bit of a prickle in there.
Ouch! Oh, thank you, Cyril.
That's it. And I remember when you lost your answer again.
Come out, wherever you are.
Can I help you, Abe?
Would you?
No problem.
Come out, wherever you are.
Come out, wherever you are. Oh, there's one.
That's true. And Cyril doesn't even like to eat ants.
Come on, Tom. Let's go out and make music with Cyril. Cyril just likes to have fun, Abe.
It looks like they're having fun outside.
Why don't you join them?
But it's silly, Claudia.
Sometimes being silly is fun, Abe.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. Everyone, listen to me.
That's better, Abe. Sometimes it's silly to worry about being silly. Do you like making music?
See, Daniela's Claudia said it's okay to be silly.
Good.
Okay then, if you'd like the recipe for Danielle's Tom the Tortoise Shell pizzas, just send it to the usual one here at CITV and you can see it on your screens just there. There you go.
It's amazing what these magical trolls can do.
Oh, that's a good one, that is.
Good Times in the Riddlers, Thursdays at 25 to 4 on CITV.
The Riddler's on Thursday, they're actually learning basketball.
Can you play basketball?
I'm afraid I can't.
Oh, well, you'll have to watch the Riddlers then and find out. Now it's time for birthday card of the day. Fanfare, please. Today's birthday wishes go to Bernadette. It comes with love from her best friend Jessica, her mum, her dad and her sister, and she comes from Leamington Spa. She's got herself a CITV t-shirt for her birthday.
Happy birthday, Bernadette, and if you're celebrating your birthday, of course, have a great day. But I'm glad her card's on Teeny Weeny, because you can see him next in Bimble's Bucket, which is next.